Managing a healthcare company can be incredibly challenging. At DSI, we make it easier for companies manufacturing pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical products to bring their products to the market efficiently, profitably, and compliantly. Since 2007, our team of expert consultants have provided high-level, hands-on regulatory, technical, quality, and project management consulting services, bringing decades of experience to every stage of the regulatory and product development process. We'll provide the focused, targeted support you need when and where you need it, from the initial selection of development and manufacturing sources to the scale-up for commercialization. And when you partner with DSI, you can realize the full potential of your projects without incurring the costs of a larger in-house department. We've successfully supported over 300 healthcare companies. What can we do to support your project needs? Visit dsinformatics.com to learn more.